guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before I get into this video, if you're new here, my name is Roma. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, you already know what to do. Comment down your thoughts, besties. I'm gonna do something really special, and special to me and special to my business. This is just one part of my business. Part of my life, which is my business, and I'm going to be documenting it. We're gonna be fixing this whole mess that I've left. I'm having a booking, so I want you guys to come along with me to this day. I'm gonna be fixing, and afterwards I'm gonna have client. Yeah. Guys, it feels so good to be in a place that I've cleaned up, and my beauty space is looking so nice. Like, nothing beats that for anything. So guys, I don't know if this camera is showing me, but hopefully it's showing me. Yeah, right now I'm just gonna take down just do a few documentary, because I've not been writing in my book for some while, and I see I'm really short of a lot of things, so I have to fill it in. This is the 2025 services, and I managed to write a few of them, but like May, I still have to update my May thingy. So yeah guys, that's what I'm going to be doing now, and then I can just get that done. And yeah guys, I don't know, pass my pen now. I don't know where my pen is. Do I have a pen here? My client comes in right now, she'll be like, oh, the place looks so good. I mean, imagine walking into a dirty beauty space. Now you're like, I'm coming to be beautiful, but the place is not beautiful. Does it make sense? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. So yeah, so right now I'm just gonna text my client and ask her if she's still coming. I mean, not if she's still coming, if like what time is she gonna arrive. And yeah, after that you guys are gonna watch me doing my client.
What did I do to deserve you? Don't even know what I did. Been praying on this since a kid. I guess it's just luck if you say